Well, hello again. I can't take a video without being weird. I can't be around a lot of people without being weird. That's just me. But I'm taking a video while I cut Brussels sprouts. Why am I doing that? Well, because I need to just get on here. I was just watching an awesome show. I got turned on to a woman called The Minimal Mom, and man, do I love her. Love her, as my friend in Maine would say. Oh my gosh, she had again, squirrel. I'm going on a totally different tangent. But that friend in Maine, man, I miss her. Gotta go see her. Gotta go there. Time is short. Life is short. But I was watching her and I was like, man, this is so great. I am doing something that I absolutely don't like to do, and I am listening to someone and something that I just really, really am enjoying. I'm learning from. I'm like getting uplifted from. That is the reason why YouTube, like for me, at least in my own life, is a good thing. Like I'm watching something that's like bettering me. That's making me feel better about myself and not like, or like, you know, because as I tell my students, it's like, and again, it's like I'm a guidance counselor, but I'm not. I'm a music teacher. I'm weird. I sometimes talk about things that really have nothing to do with my actual subject because I care about those kids and I really want to, I don't know, just help them be awesome human beings. And so that's why I say stuff like I'm about to say. But like I found in like YouTube or watching anything, it's very... almost just chopped my finger. But anyways, eyeballs on the Brussels sprouts. It's very like, it's very rare that you'll find something on YouTube or anything, TikTok, that's actually like funny. You know what I mean? Like, and you do find it and you're like, oh my God, this is so funny. And you like share it with people and it's great. But the like probably 85% of the time, at least in my own experience, I find things that are not okay, that are either really sad, really dirty, and perverted. Like perverted is basically taking something that was supposed to be really special and making it not that way, like the world in sexuality. But I digress. But it's just like that's what I see. And so if I just pop on Minimal Mom, I'm like, dang, this makes me feel good inside. Like, yeah, I'm learning. So I send it to my sister, send it to my mom. You know, I'm going to send things. And so I was just like, you know what? I'm just chopping away, watching my phone. Well, how about I talk about, you know, on my own channel, which the whole goal, yes, I do post videos of my children and my squirrel friends that I have outside. But that's just fun. But I just wanted to say something about what I'm doing right now. And it is that cooking is definitely not my favorite thing to do. It actually, I think, is actually my least favorite thing to do. Like, I think that's why I love going out to eat the most. I love going out to eat. Like, that is so fun for me. Because I don't have to cook, I don't have to pick up, I don't have to do any of that, you know? But it's cooking for yourself, grabbing things like Brussels sprouts and vegetables and looking up like recipes. I like doing that. That's kind of fun, like to look up recipes. And I definitely do aisles online. I actually even shop like monthly. It's kind of crazy, but like that's my thing. It's like once a month I go get the aisles online stuff and I get frozen vegetables, I get frozen fruit and put it in shakes and stuff, but for the morning. But I just, if I don't cook, I am way more prone to just eating anything and everything. I am way more prone to feeling kind of like crap because I just do. I have some things on standby like cauliflower pizza and veggie burgers that are in the freezer. Like if like there's just absolutely no way. Like Craze took the kids when he got home and because I procrastinated cutting these up all day long. I only had one child today because she was sick. She was supposed to be at daycare, but I was just like, you know what? I gotta do this. You know what? I'm gonna make it fun. Okay? I'm gonna do it. I got it it's either gonna spoil in the fridge or I'm gonna cook it. Okay? And then when I eat it, my kids eat it, my husband eats it, we're gonna feel better about ourselves. I have this random cabbage that I saw on a fancy recipe, and it's been in my fridge for a good month now. And so has that recipe, I I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to chop it up. I'm going to chop it up. Put it on tacos that we're going to have tonight. Don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of it, but I'm going to try to find something online. You know, it's something that, at least in my own like journey of like life, shoulders back. I saw it so bad. Shoulders back. In my own journey of life, I just need to do. I need to chop some stuff. And if you're like, why would you chop Brussels sprouts? Like, what do you do with them? Well, they're really good roasted. Even though when you cook Brussels sprouts and someone walks in your house, it does smell like someone just took a huge dump or they farted really bad. So it's just, sorry, I'm just being, I'm just imagining my coworker / boss listening to this video. So I apologize for that. I'm going to try to like spice it up, be professional. My kids are so like, you're how old? When I tell them my actual age, because I don't act it. And I most of the time feel pretty uncomfortable with people who are very like mature, because I'm like not, or like just normal. I don't know if that makes any sense, but like, yeah, so I'm not normal. And I notice that when I do try to be, I can fall into just, I don't know, because normal sometimes for people is complaining and having a bad mindset and a bad attitude towards someone and complaining about someone, and usually that's how it goes. And I don't want that. I don't want that in my life. And I'd rather just stay in my happy place. Hence the reason why I'm going to delete Facebook, because it's pretty sad on there too. But, you know, like I pop on every once in a while. I will pop on to give some videos, do some stuff. But yeah, I'm going to show you this. I just spent, 10 minutes chopping 2 bags of Brussels sprouts to get that, exhibit A. But that's okay. We're going to eat it. It's going to be good. It's either I'm not cutting them enough or that's just how it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute them in a pan. Okay. For those of you who are like trying to cook as yourself, I have this nice little, so cute rainbow. Again, I love rainbow. I have this cute little thing for olive oil. Just pour some stuff in there. And then I have a seasoning. Oh gosh, I'd show you, but I'm kind of embarrassed. My awesome spice thing is dying. I'm going to have my husband drill some stuff in so that they're falling off. So my spice rack is not doing so hot. It's just so sad. But yeah, that's all I need. I just need to ask him repeatedly. I can do it myself, but me and power tools have never really been together. So you never really know what's going to happen. Yeah. That. So I'm going to put everything bagel seasoning on it. Maybe add the little salt. But this is really good stuff. It's got everything in it. But yeah, why did I post that? Well, I hope it helps someone. Cooking is definitely not something that people like to do, but if you checked out how much you actually spend going out to eat in a month, you will be like blown away. Funny story. My sister and I and my mom and our husbands went out to eat yesterday at Olive Garden. My sister goes out to eat a lot. She's very social. She has so many friends, and so she goes out to eat a lot and takes her kid, and her kid was just this little angel. Mine acted like they were boxed up for years and just were wild animals. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. But it's just like, we don't go out much, and I understand we got to learn the rules, but I honestly it's not worth spending a lot of money to do that when you have children like that, doing those things. But it's all good, fun experiences. But kudos to my little sister for having a saint of a baby. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna be done now. Goodbye.